Unbelievable. Just the power. Cam's gonna try and get them. Good. There's something about male lions like that all together. I mean the whole group. But that Xikukutsu and his sons there with the lionesses, ridiculous. I don't know if there's an opportunity that they're sensing here. With that wind change, it seemed like they picked up on something. They do look like they're cutting off there. I mean, how tiny. This is ridiculous. Whereas here they have, I mean, they look like their dad, you know, in, of course, I mean, close up. Oh, look at that boy posing. Of course, close up you can see a bit more of the wear and tear on the older individual, but my goodness me. As soon as he heads off, we'll see if we can see any signs of them again, but it does look like they are heading off into the bush. They